Hello everyone, this is part 3 of how to make a game in 10 minutes or less. And today we're going to talk more about the monsters in this game, and we're also going to talk about a spawner. So one basic thing that we're going to do is make all these monsters right here move up. And it's very simple to do. I'm actually going to make a custom rule so that we can just drag the same rule to every single monster. So all we have to do is we want to change the velocity of these monsters. Now I'm going to make the monsters different sizes, and also because they're different sizes, I'm going to make their speed different. Like this, the bigger the monster is, the slower they go. I'll make this monster 30 by 30, and change his velocity. Let's say his velocity, he's going to be a fast monster, so we'll put it to 500. And the direction that we want to do is 90 degrees. That automatically makes it up. And we can just move it to relative to scene. Now what we're going to do is down the bottom, go from standard to custom and just drag this behavior down there. Go back to the previous page and then just click on the next monster, then drag the custom back there. I'm going to change this guy's speed to 400, make him bigger, so make him 40 by 40, and then that's very simple, very easy. Then we will go to the next monster, do the exact same thing, change his speed to 300, and then make his size a little bit bigger, make him 50 by 50. Now the one thing that we need to do is make a spawner now. And how that works is you just create a new actor. I'm just going to title him spawner, and go back to the standard behaviors, go down to timer, and every, let's say, 1 second, spawn an actor. We want to do that 3 times, so what we're going to do is copy this rule, or copy this behavior 3 times, because we want to spawn every 1 second a different monster. So monster 1, monster 2, and monster 3. The next thing we want to do is position. Now on the right side you see actor, but you want to change that to scene. What this means is rather than spawning the actor, spawning the monster, whatever you call it, in position to this actor, which is a spawner, it will spawn it in relativity to the scene. So if you look at a scene really quickly, this is just for how you can tell the X and Y axis. So this is 0, 0, 0, and this goes from 0 to the width of the scene, and this goes from 0 to the height of the scene. So that's the Y-axis, that's the X-axis. I'm just going to let's look at the scene. Let's look at the scene size. So the scene size, the width is 568. So that's 0, that's 568. Pretty easy. That's 0 and then 320. So what we're going to do here is we want the actors to spawn randomly in random places. However, we do want them to spawn at the bottom of the screen because they're going to be moving up across the screen. And all we have to do is change the position on the x-axis, which is the left. The y-axis will remain at 0 because we don't want it to spawn anywhere above. We want it to come hidden into the screen. So all we need to do is just go here, this little thing, and then press random. That's all we do. And then what I'm going to do is subtract the dimensions of the screen. I already know it's like 568 as the max. So like let's say the biggest monster there is 50 by 50. So subtract 568 by 50 so that he is not hidden on like part of the scene and not part of the scene. So we'll just say, actually let's subtract by 60 so we get a little bit more room. She's not completely on the edge of the screen. So let's say 500. That's going to be the width. And then let's say 60. I hope that makes sense. If that doesn't, I can simplify that, but for the sake of time, I can simplify that in the comments, or answer that in the comments. But just for the sake of time, um, I'll just speed through this. So we'll just do the same exact thing throughout the entire thing. And sorry, I screwed up there. And so that's about it for this video segment. Just to show you how it works, drag the spawner on the screen. It can spawn anywhere because it's spawning in relativity to the scene, not to the actor, and you will see these things spawn. There you go. It works perfectly. Thank you so much. One thing I will do is make this thing completely transparent so you can't see the spawner, but thank you so much. Have a great day, and see you in the next video. Thanks.